Hi, my name is Kennedy Tiefenbrunn. I grew up in a small town outside of St. Louis called Forestdale, Missouri. I spent most of my childhood either on this lake or kind of out in the woods, or a lot of time in this gymnastics gym right here. I was in the gym about 15 to 20 hours a week. My dad was in the military and traveled a lot. My mom was the one running me all over the place. So this is kind of where I got my health professions career started in a way. I had 3 knee surgeries, suffered 2 torn ACLs, 2 meniscal repairs, and a fractured femur. I went on in high school to play lacrosse and volleyball. Kind of continued with my injury career. I had several stress fractures and a broken nose, just all kinds of fun things. I graduated from a school called Bear Academy in Chesterfield, Missouri, and then in 2014 continued my education at Mizzou. Kind of did the typical thing and went and joined a sorority, but I was also involved in several other organizations on campus, such as a healthcare fraternity. I met my boyfriend of 5 years. We're still together to this day. He's a pretty cool guy. And then I started working in the athletic training program with the Mizzou football team. I got to travel with them a couple of times, have a few fun experiences, and be on TV like you see in this picture right here. I also worked with Mizzou baseball, Mizzou volleyball, several other Mizzou teams, a small high school in the area called Elias Catholic. And this is actually where I realized that I wanted to go into the high school setting. So after graduation, I knew that's what I wanted to continue into. And that is when I started my time with Washington High School in Washington, Missouri. This is my football team right here. I've spent countless hours with these kids, and it's been so rewarding. However, I knew I kind of wanted to continue and do something a little bit more in healthcare, so I decided to apply to PA school. In the meantime, this job has offered me so much. I've been able to travel with U.S. Soccer. This is a showcase here in Sarasota. I got to work with this amazing team. I've learned so much from them. And then early 2019, we made our way out to Denver for another showcase. Like I said, just had fantastic opportunities. I got to travel to Disney with my cheer team. So this job has been so rewarding and so fun. I spent a little time on the news doing a promotional thing for my company. And then, like I said, I decided to apply to PA schools over the summer. This fall, I was actually blessed enough to get accepted into SLU's PA school class of 2022. So I'm very excited. I'm taking this course to finish up my prereqs. But if I'm not studying for this course or I'm not spending countless hours at school, I'm either watching the Blues or watching the Cardinals. Any St. Louis sports I'm all for. I'm hanging out with my lovely friends right here. These guys get me through everything. And if I'm not doing either of those things, I'm hanging out with my 2 pups right here, Bo and Riley. This is who I get to chase around all day. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.